Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 42 of the NEET quiz important questions, and today we'll discuss the question of the topic heart. So first try to answer the questions by yourself. Right atrium receives blood from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. Left heart deals with which type of blood? Oxygenated blood, while the right heart deals with which type of blood? Deoxygenated blood. What is the size of the heart? So, approx transverse diameter is about 8 to 9 centimeter. Anteroposterior diameter is approx 6 centimeter, and apex to the base is about 12 centimeter. Apex of the heart is formed by left ventricle. Apex beat is felt in which intercostal space? Fifth intercostal space on the left side. Okay, so over here the apex beat of the heart is felt. Apex beat is directed forward, downward and to the left. In the newborns, apex beat is felt in which intercostal space? So, in the left fourth intercostal space. Apex beat reaches to adult position in second year of life. Which is the most fixed part of the heart? It is the posterior surface. Posterior surface or the base of the heart is formed by 1/3 of the right atrium and 2/3 of the left atrium. So 1/3 of the right atrium and 2/3 of the left atrium. Posterior part of the atrioventricular groove contains what? It contains right coronary artery, left coronary artery and the coronary sinus. Base of the heart in standing position lies opposite to which vertebra? So it lies opposite to T5 to T9 vertebra. Base of heart in recumbent supine position lies opposite to which vertebra? Opposite to T5 to T8 vertebra. What are the posterior relation of the base of heart? So oblique sinus, descending thoracic aorta, thoracic duct, azygous vein, greater and the lesser splanchnic nerve, vagus nerve and the esophagus are the posterior relation of the base of heart. Describe the Ordner's syndrome. So Ordner syndrome over here shows the mitral stenosis, distended left atrium and dysphagia occurs due to the compression of the esophagus. Right border of the heart is formed by right atrium. Superior vena cava opens in which part of the right atrium? So it opens in the upper and the posterior part of the right atrium. Inferior vena cava opens in which part of the right atrium? It opens in the lower and the posterior part of the right atrium. Sulcus terminalis on the right border of heart corresponds to what? It corresponds to crista terminalis. Right border of the heart is related to what? To the right phrenic nerve, pericardiophrenic vessels and the cardiac impression of the right lung. What is margo acutis? So margo acutis, it is the inferior border of the heart. Inferior border of the heart extends from inferior vena cava to the apex of the heart. Diaphragmatic and the sternocostal surfaces are separated by which border? By the inferior border. Inferior border is accompanied by which artery? By the marginal artery branch of right coronary artery. Incisura apicis cordis is a notch present on which border? So it is present on the inferior border. Incisura apicis cordis is having which artery? It is having anterior interventricular branch of the left coronary artery. What is margo obtusis? Margo obtusis is the left border of the heart. So margo acutis is the inferior border of the heart and the margo obtusis is the left border of the heart. Left border of the heart separates which surfaces? It separates sternocostal surface and the left surface. Margo obtusis is related to which artery? It is related to the marginal branch of the left coronary artery. Sternocostal surface is directed anterior and upward. Sternocostal surface of the heart is separated from the base by right border. Sternocostal surface of the heart is separated from the diaphragmatic surface by which border? By the inferior border. Sternocostal surface of the heart is separated from the left surface by which border? By left border. Anterior surface of the heart is formed by 2/3 of the right ventricle and 1/3 of the left ventricle. Anterior part of the right atrioventricular groove lodges what? It lodges trunk of right coronary artery and the anterior interventricular artery, which is a branch of the left coronary artery. Anterior interventricular groove lodges what? It lodges left anterior descending branch of the left coronary artery and the great cardiac vein. Area of cardiac dullness overlies where? It overlies the right ventricle. Diaphragmatic surface is formed by 1/3 of the right ventricle and the 2/3 of the left ventricle. Posterior interventricular groove is seen at inferior surface of the heart. Which structures are lodged in the posterior interventricular groove? So, posterior interventricular branch of the right coronary artery, middle cardiac vein, and the anastomosis of the interventricular branches of the right and the left coronary arteries. What are the relations of the diaphragmatic surface of the heart? So, central tendon of diaphragm, left lobe of liver, and the fundus of the stomach are the relations of the diaphragmatic surface of the heart. Left surface of the heart is formed by left auricle, left atrium, and the left ventricle. Left part of the atrioventricular groove is lodged in the left auricle and left ventricle. So, left part of atrioventricular groove is lodged in the left auricle and the left ventricle. Left part of the atrioventricular groove lodges what? It lodges the trunk and the circumflex branch of the left coronary artery, termination of the great cardiac vein, and commencement of coronary sinus. Left surface of the heart is related to which structures? It is related to the left phrenic nerve, left pericardiophrenic vessels, cardiac impression of the left lung. At which side the atrioventricular groove of the heart is deficient? So, at the anterior side. Atrioventricular groove contains what? So, its anterior right part contains the trunk of right coronary artery. Its anterior left part contains the great cardiac vein termination, coronary sinus, trunk and the circumflex branch of the left coronary artery, and its posterior part contains the coronary sinus, anastomosis between the right and the left coronary arteries. Orifice of the superior vena cava is at level of which costal cartilage? So, at the right third costal cartilage. Orifice of the inferior vena cava is at level of which costal cartilage? So, right seventh costal cartilage. Right atrium forms part of which surface or the border of the heart? So, right atrium forms sternocostal surface, base of heart, and the right border of the heart. Smooth and the rough parts of the right atrium are separated by crista terminalis. Crista terminalis is a ridge made up of which muscle? It is made up of smooth muscle. Sinus venarum is developed from absorbed right horn of the sinus venosus. Right atrium and the auricle are developed from right half of the primitive atrial chamber. Opening of the superior vena cava points which direction in the heart? So, it directs anteriorly and inferiorly. So, opening of the superior vena cava is directed anteriorly and inferiorly. Eustachian valve is present at the opening of inferior vena cava. Eustachian valve at the opening of inferior vena cava is attached to which wall of opening? So, it is attached to the anterior wall of opening. Free concave margin of the eustachian wall is formed by endocardial duplication. It projects into the right atrium and it has right and left horns. Right horn of eustachian wall of the inferior vena cava continues into crista terminalis. Left horn of eustachian wall of the inferior vena cava continues into anterior limb of the limbus fossa ovalis. Valve of inferior vena cava or eustachian wall develops from right venous valve and the sinus septum. In the fetal life, eustachian valve regulates blood from inferior vena cava to left atrium through the foramen ovale. Where is the opening of the coronary sinus situated? It is situated between the inferior vena cava and the tricuspid valve in the interatrial septum. Tibial valve is guarding the opening of what? This tibial valve actually guards the opening of coronary sinus. What is the location of the AV node with respect to the coronary sinus? So AV node is located just above the coronary sinus. Tibial valve develops from right venous valve. What is the location of the intervenous tubercle of lower? So intervenous tubercle of lower is a conical muscular projection in the right atrium immediately below the opening of the superior vena cava. So today up till here we'll discuss about the further important questions and notes of the heart topic in our next video. Thank you so much.